AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI explained. Artificial intelligence has become one of the most transformative technologies of the modern era. AI is changing how we live, work, and think. From voice assistants and recommendation engines to driverless cars and medical diagnostics. Even so, a lot of people are still unsure of what artificial intelligence AI is and how it differs from concepts like machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI. Despite their frequent interchangeability in media coverage, these phrases each have unique meanings and functions within the AI ecosystem. Despite their connections, these technologies have separate functions, and anyone interacting with the digital world must be aware of these differences. While machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI are particular techniques or approaches within this larger subject, artificial intelligence AI is the ultimate objective of developing computers that can do activities that traditionally require human intelligence. It is helpful to thoroughly examine each in order to make sense of this intricate hierarchy. Let's watch. 1. Artificial intelligence, a comprehensive overview. The biggest notion in this hierarchy is artificial intelligence, or A. It includes all attempts to build machines that can carry out operations that ordinarily call for human intelligence. Reasoning, problem-solving, language comprehension, pattern recognition, and decision-making are some of these skills. Early AI research concentrated on rule-based systems, in which each potential situation and its accompanying response were explicitly coded by humans. These methods worked well for structured tasks, but their lack of flexibility and adaptability made them difficult to employ in dynamic or unpredictable scenarios. In contrast, machine learning and deep learning techniques are frequently used in modern artificial intelligence AI, allowing systems to recognize patterns and make judgments based on information rather than strict rules. This change has significantly expanded AI's reach and potential. It is crucial to comprehend AI as a broad concept since it establishes the connections among its subfields. AI includes machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI, each of which has its own techniques, advantages, and uses. 2. Machine learning, data-based learning. Real world. New opportunities in marketing, education, entertainment, and the creative industries have been made possible by generative AI. It enables quick concept prototype, customized content production, and even automated writing, design, and programming support. Its creative ability shows that AI can meaningfully enhance human creativity and is not only a tool for analysis or prediction. 5. How AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI are related. It is crucial to comprehend the relationships and hierarchy between these words. The overarching objective of AI is to develop intelligent systems that can carry out activities that humans can. By enabling systems to learn from data instead of depending on explicit programming, machine learning offers a way to accomplish this goal. Layered neural networks are used in deep learning, a branch of machine learning, to handle extremely complicated issues and unstructured data. Content creation is the primary emphasis of generative AI, which is frequently based on deep learning models. This hierarchy allows for progressively complex capabilities as each layer builds upon the one before it. Understanding these connections makes it easier to understand why some AI systems do well at particular tasks, while others do not. It also aids in demystifying the technology by demonstrating that, despite its seeming magical or autonomous nature, AI is essentially the outcome of meticulously crafted algorithms, data processing, and iterative learning. Practical uses. These technologies have a wide range of revolutionary applications. Predictive maintenance in industrial settings and online purchasing recommendations are both powered by machine learning. Voice assistants, medical image analysis, and driverless cars are just a few of the innovations made possible by deep learning. With its ability to produce realistic literature, art, music, and even software code, generative AI has completely transformed the creative industries. Artificial intelligence AI systems in education customize lessons to meet the needs of each student, offer immediate feedback, and produce engaging tutoring sessions. AI helps medical professionals by evaluating intricate datasets, identifying irregularities, and suggesting courses of action. In particular, generative AI makes it possible to produce marketing collateral, entertainment content, and educational materials quickly. These technologies open up previously unthinkable possibilities, increase accessibility, and improve efficiency across industries. They show how AI continuously enhances human capability rather than replaces it, despite its many techniques. Restrictions and ethical issues. AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI have drawbacks and moral dilemmas despite their strength. Because AI systems can only be as good as the data they are trained on, biased, insufficient, or erroneous data might produce unreliable or dangerous results. Because deep learning models are frequently opaque, it can be challenging to comprehend the logic behind judgments. This is especially problematic in high-stakes applications like law enforcement or healthcare. Deepfakes, false information, and copyright-violating content can all be produced using generative AI. Transparency, accountability, equity, and close observation are necessary for the ethical application of AI. Humans are required to set goals, monitor results, and step in as needed. To use AI ethically, it is essential to comprehend these constraints. Understanding that artificial intelligence AI is a tool and not a sentient intellect guarantees that it is used safely, ethically, and effectively, optimizing its advantages while reducing any potential risks. Conclusion. While they are different, AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI are related. The wide perspective of intelligent machines is embodied by AI. Learning from data is made possible by machine learning. Generative AI produces completely original content, whereas deep learning manages intricate patterns and unstructured data. Collectively, these technologies are changing the creative industries, healthcare, education, and other fields. Anyone interacting with AI today must comprehend their distinctions, connections, uses, and constraints. Algorithms, mathematics, and careful design combine to create artificial intelligence AI, which is not magic. We can use AI responsibly, make wise judgments, and contribute productively to a world increasingly dominated by intelligent robots if we understand these differences. Let us know in the comments what you think about the AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI explained. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube.